This is the F-35B Lightning. It's known as a fifth-generation multi-role aircraft with stealth capability. But with a top speed of 1,200 miles an hour, an operational ceiling of 50,000 feet, and the ability to land vertically onto the deck of an aircraft carrier, to put it more simply, this is the most sophisticated fighter jet the world has ever seen. With the engineers now poring over every detail of their machines before the race, suffice to say both teams were taking things seriously. And with final checks complete, it was time to take to the track.
Well, that's fairly intimidating.
411, confirmed clearance to take off.
411, clear roll demo, serial 1.
Ready, steady, go. I'm off. 130. Where's the jet? Where's the jet? Oh my Lord! He's over there, he's over there, he's over there! I'm on the car!
One complete.